Aloha, Nina here with Mermaid Nina Travels. Here I have for you a glimpse into my stateroom on the Disney Dream. Now this is a view walking into my stateroom. Here you can see my queen bed and that sofa bed, which turns into a bed later on in the evening. Look, Ariel's already getting ready. This is a video I made. I muted the sound so that I can speak through it. We had connecting staterooms, so my room slept 3 and the other room slept 4. This door right here is the connecting stateroom. Should you have someone on the other side of you, you can just open that up. So here's a nice view as you walk into my room. Again, this is my queen size bed. It was super comfy and definitely the perk of these staterooms. This is the desk area, complete with TV and lots of storage. It's an excellent space to do your makeup or your hair while getting ready. Again, this sofa bed will turn into a bed. Your room steward will take care of that later in the evening. And should you have a room that sleeps 4, that little rectangle comes out and turns into a 3rd bed. Now right here is a view into my veranda, aka my balcony. Lovely view of other ships also at the port at this time. Now this is a lock to lock the door. I'm going to speak about this later on, but it's an awesome safety feature for people who are worried about cruising with little children. And then we're going to go ahead and look at my stateroom from the other direction so you kind of get a complete view. Up ahead, we have some more storage space, and in this little, storage area down below, we do have the mini fridge, and there's also 2 closets. Now, I am not one to store things into my closet, but many people are, so there are hangers and plenty of space for a family of 4 or 5. And also there is space under the bed right here, as you can see, to store your suitcases. Now this room also features 2 bathrooms. It's considered a split bath. So right now we're walking into the shower area, complete with bathtub. Now the bathtub again is perfect if you have little children who need to take little baths. And then sad to say, on the Disney Dream, they are no longer providing the toiletries that you can take home. Those little freebie souvenirs are gone. Look at how cute that towel is. I love the Disney, just the little subtleties around the ship. Again, we are headed into our main bathroom area, which will be your toilet and your sink, perfect for washing your hands and brushing your teeth. There's also plenty of storage space for your makeup, toiletries, rubber duckies, whatever you need. Again, another view of my stateroom going this way. Anyway, again, this is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with a veranda. We were on deck 9 and plenty of space for a family of 4. Love the veranda. Just love it. Now again, we're going to talk about this lock feature. Now everyone's always worried about traveling with young children. That lock is super high up and this door is super heavy and almost kind of awkward to open. And if you look at the height of this balcony, if I stand next to it, it is way up towards my waist and I'm 6 feet tall. So a little child would not be able to just fall overboard, so to speak. You really just have to watch your children and make sure they don't climb on furniture or keep the door shut. This is a look at Port Canaveral and again the lovely Disney details that I love so much on my beach chair. A close-up again of that bathtub. I know when my children were little that was a very important feature. The mini fridge, which I do use quite often for bottles of water and whatnots. Again, a close-up of the toiletries. They are the exact same items that we would have been able to take home in the past, but unfortunately no longer. Here is a look of that 3rd bed. So that will come down in the evening and turn into a full complete bunk bed, which again your room steward will do for you in the evening. Very comfy, and even my 6-foot-plus husband slept up there. So again, mahalo for watching. Thanks again. Nina out.